Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros out of hot dog buns. First, gather your ingredients: hot dog buns, sugar, cinnamon, butter, and cooking oil. Next, prepare your buns by slicing each one lengthwise, creating 2 long pieces. Then, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan over low heat, preparing it for the next step in our delicious churro adventure. Now, let's get frying. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan or skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each sliced hot dog bun half into the melted butter, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, gently place the buttered buns into the hot oil. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and become crispy. Once your buns are perfectly fried, it's time for the sweet finish. In a shallow dish, combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, mixing well. Carefully remove the golden brown buns from the hot oil, letting any excess oil drain on a paper towel. While still warm, immediately roll each bun in the sugar-cinnamon mixture, ensuring a generous and even coating. Your delicious hot dog bun churros are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with your favorite dipping sauces like rich chocolate, creamy caramel, or sweet dulce de leche. They make a fantastic, unexpected treat for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.